We add a new transformer to the program. We enter the serial number of the transformer. We select the client, country, state, and substation. You can also add a description and change the frequency. We enter the manufacturer and the factory where the transformer was manufactured. In this case it is an ABB from Vadodara, India. We select the date of manufacture and the date of energization. There are different standards to select, as well as applications, which in this case is a transmission transformer. Number of phases, single phase, three-phase, or three-phase bank. There are different types of equipment: transformer, auto transformer, shunt reactor, series reactor, etc. If it have tertiary, we select it if it is compensation or with load. Opening up options for tertiary winding. In this case there is no tertiary, so we select not applicable. There are different insulating liquids to choose from and the preservation of the liquid, which in this case corresponds to an expansion tank with a bag. It is a transformer with ONAN and ONAF regimes. Next, the data of the different windings is entered. Starting with the nominal voltages and powers, connection group, conductor material, and the type of paper used. This example is a 63 MVA YND5 transformer from 150 to 31.5 kV with copper conductors insulated with kraft paper. The type of tap changer can be selected for the different windings. In this case, there is an unload tap changer made by ABB and model VUCG in the high voltage. The high voltage winding has a reduced neutral and uses capacitive bushings of the OIP type, oil impregnated paper. We define the type of core and its grounding. We enter the total volume of the liquid. And the temperatures rises limits. We can load different files of interest, such as the rating plate, guaranteed data, factory acceptance tests, etc. And in this way, we can have the transformer information organized and open it at any time. Finally, we save the transformer in the database.